Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. My class 3 students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I wish you all are good, inshallah, at your home, with your family, with the best of your health. This is your English class. Today's lecture is lecture number 20, and we will study our active English book 3, chapter number 12. And this is the page number 43. As usual, we will first read the page, then I will explain you what this page is about and what they want you to understand. Let's read. See the pictures: broken pencil, dirty shirt or torn shirt, and the clean shoes. Let's read. The pencil is broken. Someone has broken it. Again, just like in the previous lecture, I told you about the has and have. Again, all of you are seeing here the word has. This chapter is also about the use of has and have. Remember what I told you in the previous lecture? These are the perfect tenses. Do you know the tenses present, past, and future? Then we have present simple, present continuous, present perfect. So this is perfect tense in which you see has and have in any sentence. These are called perfect tense. I will tell you again. Just read number 2. The dress is torn. Someone has torn it. The shoes are clean. Someone has cleaned them. Okay. Look, exercise 2. The teacher will ask you, what's the matter? Give as many different good answers as possible. Use this table. Suppose your teacher asks you, what happened? Then you will tell her, I have broken my ruler. It's mean the action has completed. You have already broken your ruler and you're just informing the teacher. I have lost my ruler. I have dropped my pencil. I have torn my dress. You can make many sentences by using this broken word. I have broken my ruler. I have broken my pencil. Or I have broken my pen. No dress and shirt, we use the word broken. For these dress, shirt, or handkerchief, we can use the word torn. I have lost my ruler, I have lost my pencil, I have lost my handkerchief, or I have lost my pen. Same like this, you can make many sentences by joining different words from these 4 columns. It's up to you how many you can make. It's an oral exercise, no need to write. Just for the practice, read 3 or 4 times to make your reading good, and then you will know that how to make a sentence. Next exercise, number 3, give answers like the ones in the examples. They have already given you an example that how you're going to give the answers of these questions. It's again an oral exercise, no need to write in your notebooks. Just for the practice, we will read all the questions and you will give the answer with me. See, have they eaten their breakfast? In the bracket, they have already told you that the answer will be in yes. So, have they eaten, when the perfect tense is in the question form, then have comes at the start. Have they eaten? They have eaten. The simple sentence is they have eaten their breakfast. But when you make it a question, you bring the have at the start of the sentence. Have they eaten their breakfast? Answer should be in the yes because they have already told you. So, yes, they have. Simple exercise. Has Umar lost his ruler? No. No, he hasn't or has not. Hasn't means has not. Have the girls bought new dresses? No, they haven't. Means they have not. Okay? Has Maruf found his pencil? No. In place of Maruf, we use the pronoun for the boys and it's he. No, he has not found his pencil, or no, he hasn't. You write the hasn't, the contracted form of has not, like this: HASN, then apostrophe, or you can say the comma at the top of N, then T. Has Uzma torn her dress? Yes. The pronoun for the girl, single girl, you write she. Yes, she has. Has the lesson begun? Yes. For the lesson, you write it, or you use the same word lesson. Yes, the lesson has begun. Has the lesson finished? No, it hasn't. Has Zabe written a letter? Yes, she has. Did you concentrate on the word has? And where here we have. So I will tell you again, which I explained you in the previous lecture about the perfect tense, about the use of has and have. Let's see, what is the perfect tense? We use the perfect tense, present perfect tense, to talk about an action that was completed at an unspecified or specified or indefinite time in the past. That the work has already been finished, the done. Then we use present perfect tense. Suppose in the previous page I told you, suppose you broke your ruler and your teacher asks, what happened, boy? Then you say, I have broken my ruler. It means this action was already been done. Understand why we use this present perfect tense? When suppose I told you the same example I gave you in this previous lecture, that if you finish your work, then you will say to your teacher, teacher, I have done my work. I have done. This is called present perfect. Look, and in the sentence, when you are using has, it means where you use has, when you are using he, she, or it, or a single person's name, Omar or Sarah, or a single animal, cat, rabbit, not cats. If there is only one cat, then you use has. Cat has, my cat has soft furs, or it has soft fur, or she has gone to Makkah. He has finished his work, like this. And where you use the word have for the same sentence with I have finished my work. We have gone to Medina. You have torn your dress. They have broken their pencils. Or the children have, because children more than one, also men, men, not m. If there is man, then it means single man, but it's men means plural, more than one. So we use have. Then the past participle form of the verb means the third form. Remember the verb list I told you, the last form of the verb, this is the third form, or we call it the past participle, because we use have, has in the sentence, then we use the third form of the verb, which is like broken, eaten, finished, completed, like this. Let's move to the next page. Page number 44, same exercise. Continuing here. Has she posted it? No, she hasn't. Have the boys done their homework? Yes, they have. Have the children eaten all the food? No, they haven't. Have they lived? Look, all with have. Sorry. Have they lived here a long time? Yes, they have. Have the children read all the books? Look, here's the word children, and we use here have. Boys have. If there is a single boy, no without S, then has the boy. Okay, children? Exercise 4 is read aloud, and what they are going to tell you, these are the contracted form of look. How you write. I have is the full, then in the short form you write I've, I, comma, VE. I've. What it is? We call it I've. I've done my work. I have done my work. Instead, you say I've done my work. You've, you have. We've, we have. These are the contracted form of the complete words. I have not, I haven't. You have not, you haven't. We have not, we haven't. She has not, she hasn't. He has not, he hasn't. They have not, they have. In this exercise, we are going to write like this. Exercise number 5, you have to write this in your notebook. Remember, write this exercise in your notebook. Let's see what they are saying in this. Give answers like the example below. What's the example? Has Uzma eaten an orange? In the bracket, there is written an apple. So, how we give the answer? No, she hasn't eaten an orange. She has eaten an apple. Understand? They are asking about the question. They are asking question about an orange, but because Uzma has eaten an apple, so how we make answer? First we say, no, she hasn't. Has not means hasn't eaten an orange, full stop. Then the next sentence, she has eaten an apple. She's eaten an apple. Have the children lost their books, their pencils? It means they haven't lost their books, but they lost their pencils. Look, no, they haven't lost their books, full stop. Next sentence, they have lost their pencils. Let's, here is the full exercise. You can read it and then you have to write in your notebooks. Let's read number 1. Has Umar drawn a ship, an aeroplane? No, he hasn't drawn a ship. He has drawn an aeroplane. Has Uzma found a ruler? No, she hasn't found a ruler. She has found a rubber, or she's found a rubber. Have the men taken away the tins? Look, there is men, men. That's why here is the word have. Have the men taken away the tins? Bottles. No, they haven't taken away the tins. They have taken away the bottle. Note one more thing. At place of Umar, we use pronoun he, Uzma, she, the men, they. Has Zeb written to her uncle? Her aunt. No, she hasn't written to her uncle. She has written to her aunt. Has Mrs. Shah bought new shoes? A new dress? No, she hasn't bought new shoes. She has bought a new dress. Have the cats seen a mouse? A dog? No, they haven't seen a mouse. They have seen a dog. Have the girls put away their pens? Their books? No, they haven't put away their pens. They have put away their books. Has Mr. John sold his house, his car? No, He hasn't sold his house, he has sold his car. Have we finished the book? The exercise. No, we haven't finished the book. We have finished or we've finished the exercise. Very simple exercise. All 9 questions have the same kind of answers, only pronouns and the words are changed. It's very easy. Just write in a neat and clean writing in your notebook by writing all this. That chapter 12, same like this. Exercise 5, page 44. Okay, let's move to next exercise. Exercise number 6, and it's read aloud. You have to learn the spellings, memorize all these spellings for the dictation. Very easy. Let's start. White. W-I-D-E. White. Knife. K-N-I-F-E. It's not knife. I have already told you in previous lectures that whenever K comes before N, the sound of K is silent. Silent means you will not take out the sound of K. It's not knife. No, it's wrong. The word is knife. Knife. But you have to remember the spelling of knife starts with K. Beside, drive, divide, exercise, 5, fire, hide, ice, ice cream, line, mile, price, rice, ride, ripe, side, smile, time, twice, white, wife, right, writing. Did you notice what's common letter in all these words? It's I. White knife. Look, all the words have I in their spelling. So memorize it well and ready for your dictation. Let's move forward. Next page number 45. There is a story, very interesting story, The Lost Ring. Let's read with me. One day a man went home to his wife and said, I have bought something for you. Oh, thank you, said his wife. What have you bought? I have bought a gold ring. Here it is. He held it out for his wife to see. Then he dropped it. Oh dear, he said, I have dropped it. He began to look for it on the floor, but it was dark inside the house, and he could not see anything. He went outside the house and began to look for the ring in the street. Just then, a friend came along. What's the matter? He asked. I have lost a ring, said the man. Said the man, one man. Where did you lose it? I lost it inside my house. You lost your ring inside your house, but you are looking for it outside in the street? That seems very foolish. Ah, said the man, but it is dark inside my house. I shall never find it there. But here in the street there is more light and I can see more clearly. Do you understand this story, children? It's a very funny story about a foolish man. He lost the ring inside, but because of the darkness, he was searching outside. Isn't it silly? He was a foolish man. How could he find the ring outside? That he lost it inside the house, but because he was foolish, that's why he was doing that thing. It's just a simple story, funny story for you to read and see where they use the word have. I have bought Look with have bought. What have you bought? Understand? I have dropped. Then again, many times they use the word have. So it's just for the practice and to understand for you. Now we have an exercise. Choose the best answer. Try not to look at the story. Okay. We are not going to look the story again. And we will give the answer as the story is very easy and I hope you all remember it. Let's do it with me. These are the choose the best answer. The man bought a gold, yes, ring. He bought it for his father, mother, or wife. Obviously for wife. The man lost the ring in the house, street, or shop. He lost it in the house. There was more light inside or outside? Yes, outside the house. The friend thought that the man was silly, wise, or clever. Silly means foolish. So his friend thought that the man was silly. Now we have question answers. Let's see who dropped the ring. The man. Where did the man look for the ring at first? Inside the house. Where did he next look for the ring? Outside the house. Did he find the ring? No. Who saw him in the street? His friend. Let's write the complete answers in your notebook. Who dropped the ring? The man dropped the ring. Where did the man look for the ring at first? He began to look for it inside the house at first. Where did he next look for the ring? Next, he began to look for it in the street. Did he find the ring? No, he didn't find the ring or did not. Who saw him in the street? His friend saw him in the street. Very easy answer. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions and very easy answers. So write them in your notebooks with proper writing, with the space between each word. Understand? Are you listening? I'm checking your homeworks, but the writings are not good. So be careful, children. Please write in a neat and clean writing and always remember that there must be a one finger space between each word. When you write who, then put your finger, make one finger distance, then write the next word dropped. Okay? Do it like this now. Then your writing will be very nice and your notebooks look neat. Okay, done? Good. Now take out your workbooks. Oops, the spelling of workbook is wrong. Here comes 2K. So forget it. 1K, it's workbook. Chapter 12. Write questions and answers. You have to complete the questions as they have given you an example, then answer it. It's workbook, so it's your job, it's your duty to write it by your own because we have already learned all the things in the book. So in workbook, you will do it by your own. I will give you only one example here. Look, my book is lost. There is a girl. She is saying, my book is lost. So how they make a question, what has she lost? By using the word has. What has she lost? The answer, she has lost her book. Next, my dress is torn. What has she torn? Then the answer will be, she has torn her dress. She has torn her dress. The next you will do by your own. My ruler is broken. What has This is a boy, so we use pronoun he. What has he broken? He has broken her. No, her is wrong. He has broken his ruler. Her for girls, with she you use her, and with he you write his. He has broken his ruler. My apple is eaten. What has he eaten? Question mark. He has eaten his apple. Full stop. Remember, after the question, must put question mark. After the answer, full stop. Like this, you have to complete all this page. Okay? Our next page of the workbook, page 27, answer the questions. Here again, they have given you the example. See it. What has he lost? He has lost his pen. When did he lost it? He lost it yesterday. First, they have given you here the simple sentence. He lost his pen yesterday. Then there are two questions. What has he lost? He has lost his pen. When did he lose it? He lost it yesterday. Number two, she broke her ruler in the last lesson. Okay, remember this broke ruler when in the last lessons. Okay, what has she broken? She has broken her ruler. She has broken her ruler. When did she break it? She broke it. Now here with has, look, now you can easily understand from this example. Here the word has, so we write the third form of the verb broken. Break, broke, broken. This is the word break. The second form is broke, and the third is broken. All written here. When did she break it? When there is the word did, then in the answer I told you we write the second form, broke. But with has, broken. Please be careful and concentrate what I'm saying. When in the sentence you are using the word has or have, the verb form should be of third past participle, broken. You will not write she has broke her ruler. No, she has broken. Now here, when did she break it? Here you use she broke it, the second. She broke it in the last lesson. Understood? Okay, I'm just telling you orally these and you have to write by your own. He finished the book last night. What has he finished? He has finished the book. When did he finish it? He finished it. The second and third form of the word finish is finished, finished. Both are same. He finished it last night. She wrote 2 letters this morning. What has she written? Has written. Now these are different. Write, wrote, written. The first one is write, the second is wrote, and the third one is written. So with has, we write written. What has she written? She has written 2 letters. When did she write them? She wrote them this morning. In the next line. He posted the parcel this morning. What has he posted? He has posted the parcel. When did he post it? He posted it this morning. He sold his car last week. What has he sold? He has sold his car. When did he sell it? He sold it. Again, the word sold, sell, sold, sold. He sold it last week. She bought a new dress yesterday. What has she bought? She has bought a new dress. When did she buy it? Buy, bought, bought. She bought it yesterday. Okay, children? I hope you all understood the use of has have and how we put the third form of the verb with then, and when we have in the question the word did, the verb will be changed into the second. Just like in this example, here is did, so here we write broke, but with has, broken. Finished same, posted same, sold same, but buy, bought, bought also same. Right, this is different. Write, wrote, written. So when there is did, so in the answer you write here wrote, and with has you write written. Okay? Okay, children. That's all for today. Inshallah, see you in the next lecture. Complete your work and send to me. Take care.